Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe at Heritage Ford. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Escape. It is a titanium. You get some great features with the titanium. If you come around, the first thing I can show you is the premium wheels. As we take a look on the interior, you get the leather seats, heated seats, as well as the larger touch screen. This vehicle comes with the Sony sound package, as well as memory seats here on the handle. The good thing about the memory seats is if you got multiple drivers, what you're going to be able to do is set driver 1 and driver 2. If you get in the car after driver 1, you just hit your button as driver 2. It'll take you to your preferred position. And all Escapes here, we got a very spacious back seat. And then come around and take a look at the rear hatch here. Another great feature with the rear hatch, it's an automatic lift gate, so you can lift it hands-free. There's also a memory setting here on the lift gate. So if you're going to keep it in a garage or anywhere that there's a ceiling so you don't raise your gate into it, all you have to do is press and hold this button until it chimes. Once it chimes, it will no longer lift past that height. This is just one of my many pre-owned Escapes. Again, everyone, my name's Devin Bledsoe, a certified product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Come on in, we'll take a test drive today.